Let's see linked list. What this linked list is? Linked list is a data structure which is a collection of 0 or more nodes where each node is connected to one or more nodes. What this the question arises here, then what is node, right? What this node is, I say that this is a node. The first, that is, it is a combination of two fields. First one is info field and second one is a link field. This link field holds the address of the next node. Suppose the first address is 1000 and second address is 2000 and third address is 3000. What this is holding, the link field is holding the address that is 2000 and this link field is holding the address 3000 and the last node is holding the value that is null. You can represent like this or you can write it as a NULL. Then what this info, the info and the link field, it consists, the node consists two fields. Those are nothing but information field and the link field. Information field is nothing but it is used to store the data or the item or the information which is to be manipulated, and the address which contains, or you can say it as a pointer variable. The link means it is a pointer variable which holds the address of the next node. Next, see the first. Here I have written the first, right? What this means? First means first is a variable which holds the address of the first node. Remember, FIRST, first. First means it is one type of the variable which holds the address of the first node, right? The variable, the first contains address of the first node. The link field of the last node, that is nothing but it is holding the value null, indicating, and you can say it as a tail. Next is, then here we have written node, 0 or more nodes. The definition of linked list is same as the singly linked list. Next, what's the definition of the node? Sometimes they may ask, define node. Then node is a combination of info and the link field. Info consists information and link consists address of the next node. What is the representation? Pictorial representation, or they may ask you how you will represent a node. The node is represented with the help of info and the link field. This is nothing but your node. This is the representation of the node, right? The node, in some of the textbooks they will say that node in a linked list is a self-referential structure. Then what is self-referential structure? Self-referential structure is a structure which has at least one field which is pointed to itself. Then how you will represent a node? You know that node is a combination of info and the link field. Yes, I have written that is info. Here I have written the link field. Then another point is node is a node in a linked list are self-referential structure. What is self-referential structure? Let's see. I have written here struct. You already know that the struct is a keyword of structure. Then what is the definition of structure? Structure is a combination of two different data types in different or same data types in different memory location. I have written here struct and I have written here node, right? This consists info. Info, it is of integer type, right? This is a link, right? The link is of the link which consists address. So address means you will come to know the definition of the pointer. So you are using this pointer, right? Then you have already know that node in a linked list is linked list are self-referential structures. So here you are taking struct node star link. Is it clear? Here this is nothing but the self-referential structure. They may ask what you mean by self-referential structure. Self-referential structure is a structure which has at least one field which is pointed to itself. That is nothing but the self-referential structure. You can say that the structure which refers itself, that is nothing but the self-referential structure. Then here what you have used? type def, and this is what? How you will write a code for the node, right? How you will denote a node, how you will write a code for the node means struct node. Why you have taken struct? Remember here I have taken struct node, right? You have already know the definition of the structure. What the structure is? It is the combination of different data types. Yes, different data types in different memory location. But I have not taken here union. Union means it is also consist of different data types, but it is in a same memory location. I can't take the same memory location because the link is pointing to the address of the next node, right? So you are using the structure, that is struct. Struct is a keyword. Here I have taken type def. What this type def is? Type def is a keyword which act as an alias, or you can say it as an alternate, or which is used to replace, or you can, it is used to define for the shortcuts. Type def is a keyword. Here I have taken struct node star. I can't write every time struct node star, right? So I have taken here node and put here semicolon. Here you can use this struct node star, or you can simply use node.